CYCC Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Look, I am the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made, and I'm not even exaggerating. It's on my YouTube channel. You can check all of them out. It's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but at least I've seen what's working and what's not, because everything is track recorded. It's on my YouTube channel. But this specifically, it's just melting. Like, I'm not looking at Cyclacel Pharmaceuticals stock and saying, wow, it's bullish. Look, I'm trying to be kind of not nice, and the truth is that it's just bearish. Like, I'm not looking at this and looking to sell it, to buy whatsoever. So ultimately, the previous, like, this is the low that we have now, the supply. And because the market is fractal, you know, the likelihood that we just keep making lower lows is very, very high. And it's been very boring. That's why I haven't made so much videos on it, because it's clearly just bearish, and you have previous receipts even in the Discord. So if you do want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.